rather belatedly, we get to the CONCACAF World Cup qualifying group that the Reggae Boyz find themselves in. Guatemala, Dominica, Dominican Republic, and the winner of the US Virgin Islands versus the British Virgin Islands playoff. And when you look at the teams in this group, where two will advance to the next round, if Jamaica cannot finish in the top two in that group, then we must stop playing football, send home Coach Halgrimson, lock up the JFF offices and give the money to the Reggae girls. If we can't beat these little teams in this little group, forget it. And we're not encouraging complacency, but player for player, team for team. Jamaica is by far better than all these teams combined. And yes, this is football, and the ball is round, and anything can happen. But even then, we're not even supposed to drop any points to any of these teams. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. Well, qualification for World Cup 2026 begins with this first round step.